so the first one is declaration. And declaration means declaring a variable to exist. Declaring a variable to exist. Okay, so it's declaring a variable to exist, just like to return a shelf metaphor. It's like picking an empty shelf in a massive warehouse and putting a name on it. So it just creating a value, creating a variable that just be existing there, will be there, and later you can make use of it. Take for instance, we can say var surname. Okay, so this var surname is declaring a variable to just exist. So if you want to declare a variable, you must use a var. Var is declaring a variable, and also this surname now is the variable name that we just used, and so we just created this now to exist in our database or whatever, and we have not made use of it. It's just there. It's just like creating a container, buying a container and put it in your house, that one day you put some kind of value, some kind of content in it. Okay, now we can also say var age. Okay, this also we are declaring age, but we have not made use of it. Okay, now I would like you to take notice of this semicolon. Semicolon is something we are going to be making use very much while using inline JavaScript. Semicolon is something that is very important. It's not like when we are creating HTML that we don't terminate, we just write, but this one we are terminating. The semicolon is used to terminate a line. So once you have put semicolon, that means that line has been terminated. So that is what the work of semicolon. So number two way to creating a variable is initializing. Okay, so what is initializing? Initialization is giving a variable its value for the first time. Giving a variable its value for the first time. Okay, what does that mean? That means like when we declare this, we have not given it a value. So when we do this, we will give it a value. Okay, that is giving a variable a value. Take for instance, if I say var surname, and then I now give something like Thompson. I hope I'm correct. Okay, Thompson. Okay, so this Thompson now is the value that is being stored into the surname. Okay, so this is being stored into the surname. That's exactly what we mean by that. Okay, I can also say var age assign 20 years. Assign 20. Okay, now let me terminate this also. Okay, now there's some things I would like you to take notice of here. The first one is this equals to sign. Equals to sign is used to assign a value. So that means what we are saying is whatever that is on this side, is being stored into this place. That means we are pouring. It's like we are using this equals to sign as a funnel that pours this into this. Okay, it pours the name into the surname. Okay, it pours the name, this name, into the surname. So that is what that equals to sign does, and it's called assign. It's called assign. And number two thing I want you to take notice of is that when I wrote age here, which is ordinary